As I mentioned before, all these icons were initially created using the preset details section. Now the number values of this section changes whenever a preset icon is clicked, as I'll demonstrate here. If I click on this icon, a preset of 600 by 800 pixels at 144 ppi, notice that the data in the preset details section matches the values listed beneath that preset icon. You see that the width and height are 600 by 800 in pixels, and the resolution is 144 ppi. The first field prompts the user to enter the name of this document, and by default it says Untitled 1. Let's rename it to Standard Preset. The next set of fields has to do with the physical size of the document. In this field you enter the width, and below that you enter the height. Let's leave the values alone for now. I want to go over the drop-down menu to display the units of measurements. You have pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and picas. And which one you choose pretty much depends on what you're creating. Points are units measuring the size of typography, font, letters, numbers. As you can see from this illustration, the larger the point value, the larger the letter. Picas are numbers representing the horizontal measurements of a column width used for designing newspapers and magazines. So this unit has more to do with Adobe InDesign rather than Photoshop. For these tutorials, we'll be sticking with pixels and inches. So for now, please select pixels.